Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video, let's take a look at should you buy or sell Tesla over here. In this video, we'll take a look at through the lens of technicals as for what is the price action telling us, and let's identify should you buy or sell Tesla here. Before going further, I also want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Now, as you know, we do have Tesla's Robotaxi in the testing phase, launched soon in Austin. So, real quickly, a summary on that is they plan to launch the pilot Robotaxi services in Austin on June 22nd, tentatively. Now, definitely Elon says that as how things would progress until then, date may fluctuate. However, that's the target date for now. Earlier, the rumors were 12th of June. Now, anyways, we also have another item that Elon says that after that, within a month or something, they plan on shipping the first Tesla to the customer, all fully automated. Tesla will drive itself from the factory to the customer house. Oh, that will be awesome. Anyways, now definitely cyber cab or robotaxi was on the list of many analysts for those bullish massive price targets. And anyways, I'm not a big fan of price targets, as you know. So, but all analysts were betting on robotaxi scaling so massively that it's going to print money for Tesla, up and down, left and right, from everywhere. Well, seems like that's coming soon to happen for the robotaxi. We look for the price action. I always say follow the price action, follow the price structure. No one knows how high stock price is going to go. No one knows how low it's going to go. As long as the structure continues in that given direction, and that's what we pick up here in the price action, where to buy, where to sell, all through the price action. It's very easy peasy, guys. So let's jump right into that. Definitely, if that comes to fruition, those high targets, that's awesome. But I do think if Robotaxi scales seamlessly, it will add a lot of revenue in Tesla's balance sheet and financials, and that we may see Tesla rip through, and that will eventually yet to be seen. Let's get to the price action here, right? As for where we are, should you buy or sell here? Now, definitely, if you remember, again, I'm just going to really quickly cover this section. If you remember, you know what I'm talking about here. You have taken 100% plays with me as well. And then when things got weak as well, we got out and even took a short play. My tools helps in all of that as well. Anyways, all those details are in the description of this video. If you are interested in any of that, there's a Patreon section that will help you understand what the memberships offers if you are interested. All right, let's get to the price section here. So Tesla overall is just fine. Overall, Tesla recently is just fine. As I said, if you are a member and watching regular coverage on Patreon, 300 above, I mentioned that it's bullish, buy, and definitely we got to our next target of 333. That's where we are a little bit slowing down. But technically, it's just a pullback right now, and today we are seeing already a buying happening. Now it's time to identify, is this pullback completed? And are we good for intraday and multi-day also in an uptrend? Because intraday, multi-day, we have been cooling off. So let's get to the hourly interval, right? So because this is where we started to break the structure at this significant level of 324. Yes, we did go a little bit choppy, but that was just for a day trade rebound, and then staying below 324 was the break in the structure and intraday multi-day, and we started to continue lower, came down to the next significant level this morning. Tesla is rebounding today on a day trade, very interesting play. Again, if you have access to my tools, you would have already taken the plays today and already been in the money. I'm not gonna show everything here in this video. That's only for the members. Now, Tesla is looking good for the day trade, continuing up, no problems here. There is an area. Now the question being, is the pullback that is on the overall structure happening, which is a rebound today in the pullback, and intraday or day trade, it's a long play for sure, but it's an overall structural rebound. Is the pullback completed there? Are we fully back again in the structure to good to go back up? Not there quite yet. Technically, it's still a overall structural rebound in a pullback, but price action looking strong as we can close above, creep above 321 and close between 321 and 324. It's great. And technical proper confirmation of pullback completing and momentum coming back, structure turning around on multi-day will be above this 321 to 324. Now let's say if we slow down here today by the end of the day, because there's still time left for the market to close. There's almost like 4 hours left for market to close almost. If Tesla slows down here, comes down, but can hold 313 and 64 cents, all is not lost. There's still a possibility of this thing to rebound from there. But again, we will have to wait for the confirmation, which will still only come after 321. Until then, yeah, you can trade the day trade rebound or whatnot, and my tools will help you and all of that. Many tools of mine, all these automatic levels also is also another tool of mine. Again, all the details are in the description of this video. Now, and so let me actually quickly show you, yeah, real quick on the 5 minutes interval for day trading. You can use all these tools on all the intervals, but I'm just gonna really quickly show you on 5 minutes interval. You know where to enter, where to size down the position because some cool off is happening. You don't want to hold through a big pullbacks, and this is where you reload more. We are above the cloud. Our bias for the day is bullish, and this is where next confirmation comes. Yeah, sure, you can little bit add here as well, but again, you just know that this is where the weakness is in the structure, because though we are above the cloud, our bias is bullish, but this is where some weakness is happening. So you got to size down. My tools will help you everything identifying. Now without my tools, it's so difficult to understand what to do. And I just showed you turning on. It's so easy where to buy, where to take profits, where to buy, where to take profits, size down at least. And then since bias is bullish, you don't have to short here. You can scalp whatever, but then this is where you go long back again, right? It helps a lot. Okay, so now what from here, right? Now, yeah, pretty much that's what it is, guys. One more thing I want to show you is on the weekly interval. Let's get to the weekly interval. Now, yeah, we are still in a higher low, right? And as if you are a member in one of the memberships, we took a play from 225 area all the way to that high up there, made good money there. And anyways, we still have a higher low on the weekly interval. All good, no problems. As long as we overall stay in 300 above, overall structure is just bullish on Tesla. We are just fine, my friends. We are just fine. So, point being, wrapping up here, the summary. Tesla overall is bullish, technically in a pullback, intraday, day trade, it's getting bought back up today, and we are just very close as the level 321 to 324. We stabilize there and start to get out and above. Pullback technically is completed. We do expect then strength to come back in Tesla, but it's important we stay above that. And definitely, eventually, I would like to see it get above 200 hours moving average as well, which most likely at this point, by the time Tesla stock price by the end of the day will get close to 324, or the pre-market, the next trading session, it will be very close to 200 hours moving average. So we want to see a breakout with 324 and that 200 hours moving average. But anyways, it's all about, can this rebound stabilize here and then eventually break out? That will also will turn into your near-term multi-day inverted head and shoulder as well. So anyways, things are looking good. Today's trend, we want to see it continue. Day trade, as I just showed you, things are looking good. Anyways, that's all I had for you guys in this video. Decisions are yours. I'm helping you here in understanding the price action and what to do. And anyways, if you need extra help, check out the details in the description of this video under my memberships. I do regular coverage there, and also if you need access to my tools, details are in the description of this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.